Namah Shivaya. Have you ever heard the sound of Lord Shiva's Damaru? If not, this is what it might have sounded like. Ayyunnil rikkeyyunnayur hayavarata langamangananam jabangadash jabagadash kapachatata chatatava kapayashasarahal. Lord Shiva played on his Damaru 14 times, from which emerged the following 14 sutras, popularly known as the Shiva Sutras or the Maheshwara Sutra, compiled by Panini. This Mahashivaratri, listen closely, for in the sound of the Damaru lies the secret of the cosmos. Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadeva.